Hi, here are 3 benefits to having a daily routine. Hello, my name is Cami. I'm a yoga therapist and a health and well-being coach. I specialize in helping people who have a really high ACEs score, that's adverse childhood experiences, people who are recovering from trauma, that kind of thing. The thing is with trauma is that it's a whole body, whole system, whole life situation. But that can be good news because it means that we can heal from these experiences in many, many different ways. It's not just talk therapy, although talk therapy is super helpful. But there are all of these different ways that we can support our central nervous system, support our post-traumatic growth is what it's called. Growth, thriving after these experiences. So today I'm talking about the 3 top benefits of implementing a daily routine. In coaching and in Ayurveda, which is the sister science to yoga, we talk a lot about having a daily routine. And so why would we bother doing that? Well, here are 3 top reasons. 1, when we design the routine and work it, it reduces decision fatigue. This relaxes us right away. I've had clients who, as soon as I say the word decision fatigue or the phrase decision fatigue, in fact, for me, the first time I ever heard that phrase, decision fatigue, I relaxed at least a little bit because it made a lot of sense. So we make our decision and then we don't have to keep making that over and over again. 2, it increases our confidence and our knowledge, our proof that we are actually going to be able to help ourselves be okay. And this increases feelings of safety overall. 3, we start to feel better in our bodies and in our minds. Again, this is a whole system situation, and the healing is also whole system. Now, the routines can be pretty simple. In fact, it's a good idea if they are pretty simple. And this whole concept is pretty straightforward. But creating the routine is not necessarily straightforward or easy because we have to tap into our deepest held beliefs. And when we're working the routine, we have to deal with obstacles that come up and all of that. If this was totally easy, you would already be doing it, but you can 100% do it. There's so much hope. It's just a bit of a process. And so that's where I come in. I am a coach. I help you uncover your values and all the things, and then walk with you as you implement all of that. And then also as a yoga therapist, we talk about this all the time. If you would like to talk to me for free, I do offer one-time free consultations just so that people can kind of get a sense of their path. I have a couple of books, so I'll put links to those as well. One's about mindfulness meditation, and then the other is about sleep, like what we can do during the day and then what we can do at night to kind of support our own sleep. So I'll just put a few of those links in there. I offer courses, workshops, all kinds of information. But for the most part, I just wanted to tell you these 3 top reasons to implement a daily routine. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe to my channel. I talk about all of these things in this channel. And also like the video, that helps people find it. Thank you so much for being here.